Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, I'm definitely still very bullish on this. I think it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs. I still think it looks like it's going to end up being some sort of maybe like a running flat or something like that, especially when we're looking at like the dollar index and the euro dollar as correlation. But eventually, I think it will go up, take out these highs, probably bounce off one of these higher Fibonacci levels, and at that point, it may even continue down in a big way. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we're already in a wave three. I think there's a one right here. I think this is a running flat wave two. I think we're already in a wave three, and I think on these higher time frames it will eventually go up and make a wave three, eventually make a wave four, and a wave five to complete this five-wave pattern, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame price really didn't retrace that much on this one. Kind of makes you wonder if the correction really is over that. Because most wave one and wave twos, usually the wave two will take out the lower wave four. Now it doesn't always happen like that, but it definitely does often happen like that. But with the 1, 2, 3 shape we have right here, I mean I definitely am looking for longs on sort of time frames because it already looks like it has a complete ABC, and I wouldn't be surprised at all if it just already is in this wave three like I was showing on the higher time frames, this is probably already a big wave three, meaning that this is like a one of three, a two of three, and hopefully we're already in that wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I definitely would still be looking for longs for sure. Now I do have a suspicion that it may go down again, especially looking at the dollar index and do something like this, make some sort of a more proper three-way pattern to the downside, a proper ABC look or WXY or maybe even some sort of a flat before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, the part that really makes me think that this is going to go down again is the fact that this is almost a perfect five-way pattern right here. Makes me think that it is very likely to be a wave A. This move up is very likely to be a wave B. I think it's going to bounce off one of these fib levels, which we really don't know which one. But when it happens and it makes a big engulfing move to the downside, we should better recognize that as the end of a wave B, probably the continuation of this correction for a wave C. And the trade that I would really be focused on is trying to go long at the end of this wave C, especially if you can see a breakup structure for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I was showing on the higher time frames, we may already be in this wave three, and if that's the case, this may just keep on making higher highs, higher lows on these sort of time frames. And if that's the case, we definitely want to primarily be looking for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks, especially. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.